In this video, I will show you photos of German troops from World War II, animated with the help of artificial intelligence, and tell you a short story about this terrifying war. During the Second World War, in the German troops at the front, soldiers led a life full of contradictions. At first, inspired by their quick victories, they were confident in themselves and gathered around campfires in the evenings, singing songs and sharing stories about home. Sometimes they arranged concerts, played the accordion and told jokes to forget about the brutality of the war that they were doing. However, with the arrival of the winter of 1941 and the fierce resistance of the Soviet troops, their confidence was shaken. Frosts and food shortages undermined morale. The fun turned to quiet conversations and thoughts about the future. The soldiers wrote letters home, dreaming of peace and tranquility. In such conditions, fun became rare. Instead of songs and laughter, the evenings were filled with quiet conversations and thoughts about the future. Sometimes they found solace in small things, in a friendly conversation or in a short-term truce when they could just relax. So, amid the horrors of the war that they were doing, German soldiers continued to live, balancing hope and despair, fun and fear, loyalty to duty and homesickness. We must not forget about the horrors that they did. There is no excuse for any of them. It was the Nazis. Thank you to all our ancestors for destroying the Nazis.